We are, where are we at the moment? Just north of Grenoble.
Yeah, why not?
Grenoble. And we're going to make our way up to Annecy from here. Probably should stop doing this accent, shouldn't I, at some point?
It's not like you're deliberately recording yourself.
Oh, they got fish down there.
You get your rod out and pick your dinner.
Last time I did that, I got kicked out of a restaurant.
Well, in theory, this next piece of road is 30 kilometres long. So, about half the length of my penis.
You such a fucking weirdo, aren't you? That's tickling my head. See, what I hadn't done is press record on my recorder. Merde. You know, that's so loud.
Thank you to a bike thing for that.
Oh, you're such a pro YouTuber.
I need a new tank bag. I've got to suck someone off. Sorry, suck
Yes.
up to someone. Just FYI, you are throwing up so much gravel, so I'm backing right off from you.
Oh, I'll make sure I go fast around this corner then. I can upload another video that says, I crashed in gravel again.
On more gravel.
Wrong side of the road is fun for me. Car.
Oh.
Way bumpy. Ooh,
Oh, Jesus.
corner.
Le hairpin.
Le hairpin. If only my map would have shown that that was a hairpin. Oh wait, it did. There's snow up there on the an Alp.
You look out to the right as well.
Oh, Jesus. That is muy bueno. Jack there. Slow down, mate. Jesus.
Jesus
Not
Christ. See how much he came out then? So like you went past and he just carried on, ended up on the other side of the road.
Are you jealous that he's come out and you haven't? Hey! What's this fuck stick doing?
And we're looking for a right hand turn, which is the D21B.
Oh, that was a loud one. Tiny little truck. Route barrière from the 30th of May. That is today. This road looks awesome, but I don't know what it is. Chemin de la Sousse Le Basse ahead.
Have you seen the next few corners?
Yeah, it looks absolutely mad. Oh, this is so good! I am doing really slow around that. That is really steep.
Oh God.
The worst thing about this is the GoPro just does not pick it up.
Yeah.
Right, this is a sort of weird cambered corner.
Yeah, I'm taking that out. That's post.
Oh, this is so good. Oi, circulation at the. Oh my God, Cyclist, fair bloody play, mate.
Apparently there's a electric vehicle charging station here.
Oh, perfect. There you go, Dad.
So we're going off to the right.
Right, okay.
Well, no, straight over-ish. Sorry, it's quite hard to actually tell on my map.
This way? I think? Yeah.
Yes.
Probably.
And I think it's another couple of sets of switchbacks.
Oh no, what a shame. Problem is, you can't really see what's coming, so you kind of have to plan for not being able to see anything. Wampum, wampum.
You're hard braking them, perchance.
Yeah, a little bit.
Your hazards don't go off. Your brake light just flashes like mad.
Yeah. I'm quite happy the hazards don't go off, to be fair, because I don't. Well, because also, not only does it warn the police that are oncoming that you're braking very hard.
Yeah, that's true.
What a view!
What would be great is just like a nice restaurant right now.
Where I can sort of attempt to order a coffee in French, and then you
And I just turn around to them and go, Par-ley-Vu Englais, s'il vous plaît.
And they go, here no.
And I go,
and then you just,
limit.
oh, that coffee.
So, anyone that's French, how do you get an Americano in French?
Yeah,
because we thought it was Café
Elon.
Is a long coffee. And to me, like a long black is usually Americano, because that's double espresso with hot water.
But we only ever get a double espresso with that, don't we?
Yeah.
Which is not.
Although at service stations, when you order that, you do get an Americano. It's still a fairly short one.
We are leaving Le Bots. Oh, what a view, man! What a banging view!
Ruined by the noise. Sorry, improved by the noise.
That is a massive. Imagine coming the wrong way round the corners of that.
Jesus. He's too wide, man.
It's not his fault, he's trying to lose weight. Delusionist.
Fuck cyclists.
Oh, even in France they run the red light. Even in France they run the red light.
But literally, what was the point of that, sir?
Oh, look at the road ahead of us.
Yeah, you know what? I picked this road for that reason. I didn't go, let's find a really crap piece of road and take him on it.
Oh. This is awesome!
These bikes should just not be this much fun on these roads.
Yeah, you should need something like a Super Duke or a Taranis or something, shouldn't you?
Yeah.
To have this much fun on these roads.
Oh god, that time's up. You can see why you need snow tyres as soon as it gets remotely near winter.
Oh my god, this is unbelievably good. Little jump off the edge there. Oh my god! This is unreal. Tighty, tighty, tighty.
Oh god. Yeah.
That is the best place I've ever done a wheelie! Another tighty, righty. Nearly forgot my left and rights there. No, that was the best place I've ever done a wheelie.
If the rest of the commentary I get from you is no,
These Conti Trail Attack 3s should not be doing this either. This is where I'm going to get disconnected from Rider.
Corp connection lost.
There you go. Come on! Car. Don't know if you can hear me, car. Holy cow. Oh! Shit the bed, that was amazing. Oh, you're back.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nippy up here.
Yeah, I was literally about to say, all of a sudden I'm thinking about putting my heated grips on.
Ah, you wet flannel. This bike is absolutely unreal. I mean, to be fair, so is that one. 900 kilometres to get here, and we are throwing them around mountain passes.
Yeah.
Exhaust is popping quite a lot. Car. More for me than for you, because I was on the wrong side of the road. I mean, look at this!
Look at the view as well, it's like, oh, this is just ridiculous.
There's going to be a lot of speedo blurring.
You might as well just blur it out.
A lot of speedo blurring.
Well, that is the first destination point I put it.
Well, I think that did quite well, don't you?
Yeah. I think that's 33 kilometres of those roads, minus about 4.5 in the middle of it all.
Sublime, mate.
How much fuel? 0 miles.
Yeah, that's the only problem. I started that on like 230 k's left in the tank, and now I've got 150. Get him. My bike pops so much more when I'm going fast.
So your bike pops so much more when you do the speed limit.
Oh, there's a big bump in the middle there.
Oh, Jesus.
Jesus. If these are what the roads are like in Switzerland, I can understand why Fagan and, 44 Teeth Boys got done for speeding.
Yeah. There was a guy literally staring at you from over that wall.
Oh, wow. Wow, we were. Legends.
Want to kind of go straight ahead. It's the D912.
You love the D.